You want to become an officer, you want to depend on such things? No. And let me tell you, by any hook and crook you might have tried it. But in SSB you will be caught. You will be answerless during your interview. I still remember a case long back. One of person known to me, he was asked by interviewing officer, in those days certainly Bombay High was a new thing. Nowadays everybody knows where is Bombay High and what Bombay High is. But there was a time when in Doordarshan News, one picture of Bombay High used to appear. That platform with H on it, a helipad kind of thing inside the sea, in the mid of the sea. But when interviewing officer asked this gentleman, and he was totally clueless, but see, he did not give up. He said, sir, these are the high buildings in Bombay, sir. Interviewing officer then very smartly asked him, are you really sure? He said, yes, sir. And last week, these buildings were in news also, sir. Oh, yeah. Then he said, yes. Even I also heard that news. But you know why it was in news? Sir, because the buildings are so high that you can see the entire Bombay from there, sir. That's why it is name given. Yes, Bola, yes. He interviewing officer said, I think you are quite clear about it. And then further, he said, would you like to elaborate something about Bombay? Yes, sir. One thing I forgot, that these are those buildings from where you can really have a look at the sea beach also. And the rent of these buildings is the highest in Bombay, sir. He was told by presiding officer, yeah, very well covered. So nice. I am really impressed with your knowledge. I am sure when he had come out and what kind of answer. And let me tell you, the gentleman who gave these answers, he shared these answers with me. He said, after checking from the magazines, and he gives me, in those days it used to be STD call, he said, I have committed big blunder. And I said, what happened? He said, this has happened. And by that time he had already returned from his SSB and not getting recommended. My point is, why to take chance in life? It is your career. The sooner you settle down, better it is. Let me tell you one more thing. Lot of students these days from good schools, they are not able to crack NDA return or CDS, just thinking कि by virtue of name of their school they are already very intelligent people. No, I will tell you an example. I personally know that gentleman. He was student of Haryana board, studying in a remote village where his father and mother, they were hardly educated, might have gone to 5th, 6th, 7th standard, and this boy was the eldest in the family. Nobody in his mohalla or colony to guide him. He filled up an NDA exam that one of his relative who was studying in a city, he was filling out and he requested कि मेरा भी भर दे. And this gentleman cleared his NDA. Not only once, twice. He could not clear SSB in those days because he said, sir, I even did not know what is SSB. I was more happy that I am going to a place, I am going to Bhopal, where I will get every evening I will be going around the city and I will be getting a chance first time to travel in a train. And his rent, his railway ticket will be reimbursed. This was the reason for his happiness. He did not know anything, and certainly he was slightly handicapped in English speaking. But he was doing normal studies. He was preparing only for the board exams. He was not ICSC or CBSC or some other very nice boards. No, a simple state board from rural village. He appeared and he cleared twice. My point is, all those people who study well in 12th or during graduation, let me tell you, it is not that difficult a written test. If you like my content, then like, share and subscribe. And in case you have got any query, kindly leave your message in the comment below.